Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on 88 Energy. I made a couple videos on it. This has been a pretty popular one, and just been watching it and kind of seeing what's going on with it here. So, as you can see, this one trades here over the counter, ticker EEENF. So I always recommend Fidelity or TD Ameritrade. Those are the two that I use. You can probably find it on Schwab, E-Trade, and other platforms. But 88 Energy is an exploration company currently exploring onshore Alaska in a prolific liquids-rich area. Established in 1996, based in Perth, Western Australia. And here's kind of what it's done over the last month. Kind of had a run up here, and they ran into some problems last week, and then it just kind of crashed or corrected. Depending who you talk to, it probably was a crash, but it's a lot of people have been buying this one since it did crash, so I think people still have some faith in this company. And like I said, I've been watching it here. It's been around this 2-cent range. So we'll see what it does. I might pick up some more shares of this one, but I currently haven't at this point in time. So volume of 303 million, so it's quite a bit of volume, and $250 million market cap, so kind of a small market cap. You can see the 52-week high of 20 cents, so this one is going to be volatile. It's not for everybody, but if you get in and see the risk to the reward, and you might be able to make some money with this one. So 88 Energy hits Neneshek south of advanced prospects. But if you're looking to buy this one, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. You'd have to do your own due diligence on this one. Just bringing an update. But here it kind of goes over 88 Energy here in green, XCD Energy, or I'm sorry, 88 Energy in red, XCD Energy in green, and here's some other spots for regional wells and Trans-Alaska. But that's kind of a map, so feel free to pause and go over the rest of that information. This is just dated here on the 11th. The leaders of Small Australian Explorer believe they have continued a trend that is driving two of the largest North Slope projects in decades. 88 Energy has indicated in a series of reports on. For the full story, select an option below. So it's just kind of bringing you the highlights, and you feel free to go to the Daily News Miner. Is where I found that information. 88 Energy reports further evidence of oil in Merlin-1 well. And as you can see, this is just dated here today. Whilst these results are confirmatory of the cuttings data and were expected, it is reassuring to see, said Dave Wall. 88 Energy reported further evidence of oil in Merlin-1 well in Alaska. Samples taken from sidewall cores showed fluorescent and cut, which are both indicators of oil. They were present in samples taken from several horizons. The samples have now been sent for further analysis. The sidewall core photos provide further evidence of the presence of oil over multiple horizons in the Merlin-1 well, said Dave, managing director. And the company told investors that a schedule of expected results will be released in the coming days. Last week, 88 Energy provided encouraging results from the Merlin well, but equipment failure prevented hydrocarbon samples from being taken. Multiple prospective zones were identified as part of the first run of the wireline program. And feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. This kind of goes over more about the power outage due to equipment failure meant the company had to pull out of the hole for repairs before obtaining samples. And that's kind of the problem that they ran into last time. After repairs were completed, the run back in hole encountered several sticky sections, but the sampling tool did not reestablish good communication. So very interesting work, drilling and sampling and testing. Not being able to sample these two most prospective zones does not preclude a discovery, 88 Energy noted, but analysts of sidewall cores and potentially further drilling may be required for confirmation. And here's kind of a chart on the market cap. This is from October 11th to April 11th, and as you can see, the nice spike that we had there. So we'll see what they continue to do moving forward. Over here to Reddit, see if we can find any information. Dump got me like. So there's still a lot of people watching this one. Outlet reporting. I think there were some people that got in and got out, but there's still quite a few people watching it. As you can see, there's 18,536 in this group. PR was good news, and this should be going up. But until then, if some of the Army wants to make some money back, is going nuts, already up 134%, new 52-week high. Don't know if that one's going to come up sometimes. Well, there it did, as I went away. Regen Biopharma, so a biopharmaceutical company. So if you're into biopharmaceuticals, you can take a look at that one. I tend to stay away from biopharmaceuticals. They're just too up and down. I don't watch them that close. I do have Pfizer. GlaxoSmithKline is another steady one, but these penny ones that just go up and down like a yo-yo, I tend to stay away. But not telling you what to do. You can take a look at them. So petroliferous odor. Oh, I love Stock Twitch. You never know what you're going to find on here. Biden term, can we expect high prices? This is LA. Wow. I would say that's kind of scary if it's up that much already. I shouldn't say, but if it's that already, that could hit $7 easy. I notice it's just kind of been stagnant here since Easter. It actually went down about 6 or 7 cents couple days prior to Easter. It hasn't went back up yet, but maybe we shouldn't even talk about gas prices, and don't want them to go up again. But a lot of people are still bullish on 88, and but that's all the information that I could find on 88 Energy as of this point in time. Again, I will keep watching this one. I still got it on my radar. I might buy a couple more shares at 2 cents. I'll just have to wait and see. But this is kind of what it's looking like here today. Well, it looks like we got a little bit of a spike, so just need to keep talking about it. Maybe it'll go back up here. So if you haven't smashed that like button for me, go ahead and hit that. That always helps out the channel and promotes the video to other viewers. And comments are always welcome. Let me know what your thoughts are on 88 Energy, if you're still in it, or if you think it's a POS, or if you got out, or in some other companies. Hit that bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, following Ford Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.